I have been so bad at this. I keep getting this Open Gate box and I'm sporadically recording the unboxings for them. So I need to get better at doing monthly uploads for this box. And we're going to start right now. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in this video, we're going to open the March 2021 Open Gates box from Open Gate Quilt Shop. I think that's the name of it. All I know is the lady behind it is Monique Jacobs, and that's whose name is on the return address every time I get one of these boxes. Yay! All right, so here it is. We're going to dive right in. The tape has not even been cut yet, so I'm going to grab my little snippety snips and just stab and pull. Always cut away from you, Becca. And then do the same thing on the side because they tape these up pretty good. They don't want any of your goodies to be lost in transit, and I appreciate that. So here is our little sneak peek. On the top cover, you have a sticker that says Open Gates Quilt Box, and then down here you have some tissue paper with one of their little stickers. They definitely have their branding on point because their paper even has the Open Gates colors and fonts and everything else. All right, so, ooh. Ooh. Oh! There's a little present in there. Okay, that's so cute. Okay. All right, so if you don't know what this is, because I have been horrible with my unboxing videos with this, Open Gates Quilt Box always gives you 2 projects and then a little extra pattern and sometimes an extra notion or 2. And so this month we've got 2 projects, a notion of the month, some Orfill thread, and an extra pattern. And then you also have a YouTube video that you can use to go over all of the items in the box and get tips on how to use each of them. And they've linked that on this paper as well. Or, you know, you can just watch me do it first. All right, so this is the first thing that I'm going to show you. It's super cute. There's a drawstring bag with this little tag that says, Happy Birthday, Becca. It's a birthday gift. So for those of you that don't know, my birthday was February 4th. I got a cute little birthday gift from them. So this is not in everybody's box. This is just a little something extra for me. Let's open it up. Oh, look at that. They didn't even just tie this around. They sewed this into the little fabric. That's cool. We have got, oh, how cute is that? The scissors that I used to open the box. We've got a pair of those snips right here. So maybe these will go in a giveaway that I'll do on a Friday Night Live. And then we have got, I can already tell it's a spool of thread. Oh, awesome. I love this color thread. This is color number 2600. This is one of my favorite thread colors. I like to use 2625 for dark, 2600 for something a little gray, and 6722 for my white. And this is Dove Gray number 2600, a nice big spool of thread. Thank you so much, Monique. That was really generous of you. And this bag idea was really cool. I'm going to set this down in there. And I'm probably not going to give the thread away because I can always use more thread. All right, let's dive into the actual contents of the box. We're going to start with project number 1, which is our bigger project. Oh, this is so cool. I love how they package things, guys. Take a look at this. They have given you everything that you need for this project right here. If it's pre-cut, it's in here. If there's a pattern, they print it out, put it in here. Like everything is in here. So I don't have to worry about opening this at all until I am ready to do the project. But because I know you guys want to see what's inside, we're going to take one for the team and open it up and show you. This is going to be a beach ball table topper or wall hanging. You can make this a wall quilt. This is what it'll look like. That's really cool. And then you have got a stack of 5-inch squares that they've already cut for you. There's a ton of whites in here, and then a ton of these bright reds, yellows, and blues and greens that you can use for, and oranges, okay, for the pops of color. So they're all nicely cut. So they do give you a sheet of instructions that I don't want to show you because I don't want to give away their pattern, but there are two versions of this. Either one is going to make a 32-inch by 32-inch quilt, so it'd be great for like a mini quilt that you're going to hang on the wall or a tabletop or something like this. You can make the beach ball version, which would use the Drunkard's Path 4-inch finished template from Cut-Rite, and that's going to require some circular piecing, which is beyond me. Or you can make the square beach balls quilt, which is going to just use squares. And I'm going to show you what they look like. This is the difference. This is the one over here using square beach balls, and basically you're kind of doing this with some squares to give you a circular type of feel when you step back and look at it from a distance away. And then this one is just making beach balls that look more traditionally like a beach ball. Oh, by the way, if you wanted to do the circular piecing in that project, she did give you the 4-inch template from Cut-Rite for the Drunkard's Path. Got both pieces in there. There is a video I've seen somewhere online for how to use this. I'll try to find that and link that down below. But there's instructions in here, and basically what they say is this is the fastest and easiest way to piece circular piecing for quilters of all skill levels. So it should make actually doing circular piecing with 5-inch squares a breeze. Still think I'm intimidated though. Our notion of the month is a magnetic pin wand for picking up pins and needles, and this would have been handy last week when I spilled all of my long arm needles all over the floor. So we have one of these here. This is what the notion looks like, and basically this area down here is a magnet, and what happens is you spill your pins or you just lay them on a table or whatever, and you just hold it by this end and you wave it over your pins or your needles or whatever it is that's metal that you're trying to pick up, and it's going to cling right to it. You can use it for paper clips, T-pens, tacks, needles, straight pins, anything that's metal. That magnet's going to pick it up. And I'm just going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to test it out. We're going to see how strong that magnet is, because this is the problem that I had with my magnetic pin bowl. It wasn't strong enough to pick up my pins, and it did me no good. I had to get down on the floor and pick up each individual pin. It picked up a pair of tweezers, and it picked up the scissors. So it doesn't hold the scissors very well. It can pick up from both ends. This end is stronger. Okay, so the top side is a whole lot stronger. You might have to touch it to get it to make contact. It's not going to pull it up a great distance. Let's see if it'll pick up these heavy gingham metal scissors. Yes, but it's not going to hold much more than that. Okay, so yeah, definitely recommend. Might have to carry these in my shop. Project number 2 is always a cute little small project that should take you just a little bit of time to put together. And I kind of like that they put these in, because if the big project is too much for you, or it intimidates you, or you don't like the fabric, or whatever it is, you still have another project that you can do. It might only be something small, but you have something else. This month, our small project is a needle case. And inside of this cute little plastic bag, we have got the fabric and instructions for everything that we need to make a needle case that will measure 3.5 inches by 9.5 inches. This is your sheet of instructions, which I'm not going to show on camera because I don't want to mess it up. And this is all the fabric that you'll need, including your little piece of felt. I guess that's felt that you put inside, you know, what you put your needles in. And I actually kind of like that fabric. It's just, this is a great scrap buster. This would be really good to do on a Friday Night Live too. Maybe we'll do that sometime. The instructions on this look super simple, and you probably would have one of these done in about 5 or 10 minutes. We have a spool of white Aurifil thread. This is color number 2024. It's just a small spool of thread, and this is going to be perfect for piecing the beach ball templates and maybe even the little needle case or needle book or whatever it is. Project number 2. The next thing that we have is our pattern. This is for Juicy Cactus. This is a pattern designed by Open Gates Quilt. It's going to make a quilt that will measure 76 inches by 96 inches. So that's going to be really good size quilt. On the back, it shows you all the fabrics that they used for the sample that are in the instructions inside and what your fabric requirements are. The inside of the pattern is really easy to read. They've got a good font. They've printed it on decent paper, and you've got full color illustrations throughout. So cool, neat pattern. That's everything for the box this month. I'm super excited about all of this, and I am really touched with that little birthday gift. Thank you so much, Monique, for sending that to me. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's box, and if this is something you want to subscribe for. First comment pinned right below this video will give you all of the information and where you can go to sign up. And when you do, don't forget to let Monique know that I sent you her way. Thanks for watching, guys. Come on back Friday night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we sew live right here on YouTube. I'll see you guys all later. Bye.